Hey, what's up everybody? It's your name with Habits Over, and welcome back to my channel. We're talking about okra water. That's right, okra. This humble vegetable has been a staple in many cultures for centuries, but recently, its health benefits have taken the spotlight. We're going to uncover 10 surprising benefits of incorporating okra water into your daily routine, benefits you won't want to miss. So, grab a glass of water, maybe even a snack, and let's get right into it. Okra, also known as lady's finger, boasts a rich history dating back thousands of years. Originating in Africa, this versatile vegetable quickly spread throughout the world, gracing the cuisines of Asia, the Middle East, and the Americas. Traditional healers have used okra to treat a wide array of ailments from digestive issues to skin conditions. Today, modern science is catching up to what these cultures have known all along. Okra is a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Let's break down why okra water is often hailed as a miracle drink. Okra is an excellent source of dietary fiber, a crucial nutrient that often gets overlooked. We're talking about both soluble and insoluble fiber, which work together to promote digestive health, regulate blood sugar levels, and keep you feeling full and satisfied. Okra is also a treasure trove of essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, magnesium, and potassium. Now you might be wondering, how do I even make okra water? Well, it's incredibly simple. Take 3 to 4 fresh okra pods, wash them thoroughly and trim off the ends. Cut them into smaller pieces and soak them in a glass of water overnight, or for at least 8 hours. In the morning, gently massage the pods to release their goodness, strain the water, and voila! Your miracle drink is ready. The magic lies in the process. Soaking the okra pods draws out its nutrients, creating a mucilaginous, gel-like water that's packed with all the good stuff. Let's talk about gut health, something that's incredibly important for our overall well-being. Okra water acts like a gentle lubricant for your digestive system, thanks to its soluble fiber content. This fiber dissolves in water, forming a gel-like substance that helps bulk up your stool and promotes regular bowel movements. Okra water also contains prebiotics, which act as food for the beneficial bacteria in your gut. If you're looking to shed a few pounds, okra water can be a valuable addition to your weight loss journey. Due to its high fiber content, okra water helps you feel fuller for longer, reducing those pesky cravings and preventing overeating. Plus, okra is naturally low in calories and fat, making it a guilt-free beverage option. By incorporating okra water into your diet, you'll be providing your body with essential nutrients while supporting your weight management goals. For those of you managing blood sugar levels, especially those with diabetes, okra water can be a game changer. The soluble fiber in okra water slows down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, preventing those dreaded sugar spikes and crashes. Studies have shown that okra extracts can significantly improve blood glucose control in individuals with type 2 diabetes. Of course, it's always essential to consult with your doctor before making any significant dietary changes, especially if you're on medication. We all know how important it is to have a strong immune system, especially during these times. Okra water is an excellent source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that plays a crucial role in supporting immune function. Vitamin C helps stimulate the production of white blood cells, which are your body's first line of defense against infections. By incorporating okra water into your diet, you'll be giving your immune system a much-needed boost. Who doesn't love healthy, glowing skin? Well, okra water can help you achieve just that. Okra is packed with antioxidants, including vitamin C and A, which help protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants also promote collagen production, which is essential for maintaining skin elasticity and reducing the appearance of wrinkles. So, drinking okra water regularly can help you achieve that youthful, radiant glow. Now I want to hear from you. Have you tried okra water before? What are your thoughts on its taste and texture? Let me know in the comments below. And if you have any questions about okra water or any other health topic, feel free to ask away. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about incorporating healthy habits into your lifestyle, Be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future uploads. In my next video, we'll be diving deep into another fascinating natural remedy, so stay tuned. That's it for today's video, everyone. I hope you found this information about okra water helpful and inspiring. Remember, even small changes to your diet can have a big impact on your overall health and well-being. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who might benefit from it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more health tips and tricks. Until next time,